come on and take a seat. If you're seated on the center boxes, it's a pretty great idea. If you ask me, it also prevents whatever's in those boxes from getting out again. The last time it was snakes, and the time before that it was also snakes, and it was, snakes before that it was snakes. Why does it always have to be snakes? Just watch your step, use those handles, and once everyone is seated, we are off. Like a boat people. I don't know, I've never been very good with analogies. We're off of the Lord, the world famous jungle cruise finance economy. I'm going to be your captain for the next 3 weeks, or until we run into any trouble, in which case your new captain will tune in. Amy will be taking over. Thank you for volunteering. Alrighty, a brief reminder from the Jungle Navigation Company. Please remain fully seated, leaving all hands, arms, feet, and legs inside mode at all times. Parents, watch your children. Children, watch your parents. Now, without further ado, let's continue on with the cruise over here on the right-hand side of the room. My friends, this is the temple of the morning and night. Here we see a full size of island. These fascinating creatures here walk on their hind legs. They move and pass. Each time to do nothing more than churros and turkey legs. Really fascinating creatures to watch out for. The little people I heard they can do it up to 18 years and slowly dry. Of course, they can always be longer. Just ask my parents. But no, I don't know where we're look at that. Yo, what's that? By the way, do watch out for ginger on the left. Ginger snap. Look at that. Oh, I told you ginger snap. She is a one-top cookie. From you too. I know. Well, let's continue on our way. We are now entering the sacred caving room of the Indian elephants and take a look around. I've never seen this many elephants in one place. You know, this really is unheard of. Indeed, over here in front of us, we're looking at a prime example of what happens if you take too long in the shower. That's right, you turn into an elephant. Of course, I wouldn't know. I don't shower. That's just what they tell me. You know, anyway, squirt, down. You can't pray every little passengers I bring through your squirt. It's not there that I keep telling you this. Oh, let it go fast. What a gentleman. I'm not kidding. I'm just kidding. No, I would never be doing any day driving, really. Oh, an explosion. Let's get closer. Now I don't know what's going on over here. Looks like those are the camels around this camp. And what they need to that steam. Oh, they left the lights on. Now we'll never get that engine to turn over. Alright, let us continue on our way. You know, my friends, if you happen to take a moment and you look over there on the left-hand side of the road, you will see, that's right, there is absolutely nothing there. It's fascinating, really, but directly in front of us, the lovely waterfall, named after the founder of the Jungle Navigation Company and renowned explorer, Dr. Albert Falls. Now, forgive me by that, don't be alarmed, we'll go over it later. I need to turn here, though, on to the Nile River, and let me tell you something about this. I guess it's on the Nile. Nile. Of course, you don't believe me, well, that would mean you're still in the Nile. Yeah, that's right, we don't want to live in Africa. Because did you know Africa full of the time incredible civilization was living for 40 years? I wish I was already there. Now, over here on the right-hand side, we have African wall. Now, did you know African wall have incredible memories? And it's a memory for up to 40 years. I wish I had never even African wall. But now, my friends, we're entering the African belt on the right-hand side of the road. That's right! Sandstone! But you know, many people take it for granted. I know, my sentiments. Exactly in front of us. So look at that upright of lion looking over us. Sleeping zebra. Wow, that zebra looks dead tired. Let's let it rest in peace. Anyway, what's going on around the corner here? Is that Skipper Felix? Skipper Felix, what are you doing outside your boat? I am so sorry that you had to see that today, folks. See that? Skipper Felix, you know, it's his first day. I mean, by the looks of things, it's probably his last. Oh dear. Right over there. Isn't that incredible? I wrote down that we are. Well, my friends, do you want the good news or the bad news? First, you want to just start with the good news. See, the good news is I found the other half of my last boat. Isn't that wonderful, folks? I was wondering where that went anyway. The bad news is it's in a pool of hippos, and not to alarm you or anything, but it does years, I'm going to see that off. Okay, I believe that's the picture right now, my friends. Don't be alarmed, I'm not going to enter any casino grounds, much like my own mind. And blank. Which is a crazy story. Well, I didn't recently, stop me from telling you. That's my job. I mean, my job is so easy that a monkey could do it from now. I can find say the jokes on that. That skipper is clearly an ape. I tell you the difference at all, but it's a long tail. Really? So, we're just going to continue on our way up. And look at that, looks like some more apes have gotten into the entomological supplies. Now, my friends, what entomological supplies are, I'm not entirely sure. And that is going to bug me. For the rest of the trip, now, waiting for the amazing, incredible, the wonders, the heroic, the magnificent, the ever stupendous, the miraculous, introducing the eight. 1 hour, the backside of water. Oh, 2 8. Oh, 2 8. Oh, 2 explosive of this time. That's never happened. Oh, incredible. Just a hell of a Now we're going to take a break up ahead of here. I always have to be honest with you. You're always fighting this out. That, my friend, is a python. Now you actually know that that snake there is a python because it's exactly 3.14159 meters long. But there's no journey through the world famous terrible cruise ever complete without a stop at the incredible Trader Sam's gift shop. See that elephant over there on the left turning belly. My friends, Ellie is an African bull elephant. And did you know African bull elephants have incredible memories? They can remember things for up to 40 years. I wish I had memory of an African bull elephant. Now, as we begin our journey back to civilization, please remember, terrain only teaches useful hands, arms, feet, legs, ears, elbows, and everything else inside the room until we come to a halt. And a complete stop at the dock. Now, my friends, if you have enjoyed today's expedition, my name is Skipper Connor. That is spelled HELPLE! Exclamation point. Oh, of course, if you did not enjoy today's expedition, my name is Irrelevant. That is spelled So speaking of elephants, did you know African bull elephants have incredible memories? They can remember things for up to 40 years. I wish I had memory of an African bull elephant. What really helped you? Oh, I know a crazy fact about African bull elephants. Did you know African bull elephants have incredible memories? They can remember things for up to 40 years. I wish I had memory of an African bull elephant. Now, I'll tell you a crazy story for you, folks. Before I came to the Jumbo Navigation Company, I used to work as an archaeologist alongside the great Dr. Indiana Jones himself. Now, people love asking Skipper Connor, why would you leave a life of archaeology behind to drive a boat for a living? And I tell you what, I could not stand to see my career in ruins any longer. Now, before that, I actually was working at a juice factory. It's just the issue with that is I could never concentrate. So they canned me. Now, before that, I actually worked at a banana factory. They have those systems. I didn't find the job very appealing, so I slid. Now, before that, I worked very briefly as site lead. Very briefly, though, because they fired me something. And I went back and I asked him why, right? He fired me out of the blue. He said, well, it's because he didn't see it coming. I couldn't really argue with that one. Now, before that, I actually worked at a greenhouse. Just my coworkers there, they wouldn't leave me alone. So I decided to branch out. Smaller opportunities. Really spread my roots. Oh, speaking of my greenhouse job, I'm actually going to take a moment. I'm going to point out some of my favorite plants to all. Hey, are you ready now? That one. That one. That one over there. Oh, did you want me to name the plants? Okay, this one's Jeremy. This one's Rachel. And that one will be Paul. Like a ball today. Oh, well, my friends, it appears our time together is coming to an end. Very well go. I actually have one last incredible story for you. See, my friends, as a banana factory, and as a greenhouse, and as a psychic. I had a career as a professor.